obviously. But my mom got it free for Christmas.
See, I like this too because he doesn't really need a kitchen counter. I mean, a table. So, because no matter in all our family stuff, we always eat at the counter. Always. Even at our house, at his sister's house. Yeah.
Even though it's tile, it's nice that it's granite.
It's granite tile, I told him too. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, these things are, it's move-in ready.
Yeah.
And he's like, well, I can get a side-by-side. And I was like, well, there's no need because you lose a lot of space when you get a side-by-side.
And it's already here.
And then, cool little toilet. This is nice. It really is nice. Sorry. Need to get better light bulbs.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know how I feel about that. No? Can't get in there. But there's a washer, dryer. You have to do it through there.
Okay.
Well, that tells me a lot about crime in the neighborhood. Jesus. I do like the can lights because the one that we're gonna go see doesn't have these can lights right here. We noticed like that one on the knees. But I do like the tile, and I don't mind when they do this with the carpet. It's all right, and it's easy to replace if it gets dirty.
Definitely.
And it's actually cheaper than area rug. Area rugs are so expensive.
It's crazy. It's so crazy.
Yeah, and the covers are nice. Now the counter goes all the way to the end in this one. And the other one, it doesn't go, because they're mirrored apartments. So this one goes all the way to the end. And it's got the stainless steel appliances. It's pretty nice. All right. It's got a metal sink. Closets. Cupboards they were painted, but it's not bad. It looks good.
And they didn't paint the hinges, which is good. Well, actually they did. Never mind.
All right.
But yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. We got the AC on in here already. So that's working. And then the other one, there's no railing. This is missing. So you just got that one handrail. Cabin carpet. I like carpet in my bedroom, so I'm not a fan of that because I need the noise dampener. The other one, this is just open. It's not, it doesn't have the doors in the other one. And then these are master suites.
I love master suites.
Right? So
that's awesome. You can get so much more rent for that.
Right?
Whether you're doing one person or multiple. Yeah, this is huge.
Look at these upgraded doors.
Yeah.
Because I was telling him about these doors. I'm like, this one just seems, well, that's all right. We won't want to. I mean, see the idea. I mean, whoever put in time into this. Oh, and I like the floors in here.
Very nice. I like the ground.
This is nice. You know, and the fact that it's so shitty on the outside, maybe no one would break into it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Check out her backpack. Can you see it in there? This is cool. Oh, look at the rain. Look at this. Let's go. You can even put your wand on there. He likes to use wands when he showers. And I prefer the mirrored doors because it makes the room look bigger.
Yeah.
And you can just paint these. You can get like bronze. So you just pull these off the hinges. And then you just tape this stuff off, or you can actually take it out and then put it back.
Okay.
We've done that before.
What kind of paint do you use so it doesn't chip?
Well, it will chip. So that's what I mean, after a while, where the wear marks your nail, you can scrape some of the paint off a little bit. But you buy, we did it for Dad's house. We painted all the toilet paper dispensers and all the lights, all this bronze color, and it worked. I mean, so far it hasn't chipped, but
okay.
It's not bad. And then this would be the roommate's room. Oh, it's a Jack and Jill.
That's funny, since there's only, it's so unnecessary when there's only one
room.
room.
Look how big this room is.
Yeah.
Wow, Chris, this is really nice. I mean, for $189,000, and he gets that little rebate, and I did it with the utilities. He literally, even with the HOA at $190, he comes out of pocket $1248. Right? 12. Even if you got renters in here, I mean, he could put 6 bunks in this thing for a crash pad. Wow, this is nice. And what was enticing? Hey, look at that.
I would choose this one.
That's nice. This is a nice place. Shitty neighborhood, nice apartment. Right?
But you couldn't get closer to the airport, literally.
You couldn't get closer to the airport. They put a finish on this. I wonder what that is.
Oh, okay. I did that at one of my properties.
Did you?
Yeah, in Hawaii, because it's a different market and I had to. But it was so much cheaper. It was like only $800 to refinish the tub and the sink.
I like it. I mean, it's not bad. It's got some bubbles. I mean,
Yeah.
I could have done better. But,
Yeah.
And then this is your Jack and Jill door. So it goes. Yeah. Interesting. They didn't change this door. They did all of them but this one. Yeah. Or these. Well, you know, you could probably just get the same door somewhere. I wonder why they went cheapo.
Yeah, that's really weird.
That's all right. You get the one with fancy doors.
Yeah.
Look up this light here. And the skylight. I like the skylight. This is cool. Then you get yourself a fancy thermostat, one that you can control. I imagine this is probably for the whole house.
Nevada Energy does it for free.
Well, yeah, but he gets the one where he can control it from his phone.
Oh, you can.
Oh, really?
You can. The only downside, and it is
control it.
Yeah.
No, I took mine off because I have one.
Oh,
I was like,
okay.
screw you guys. Because they brown out. Like they'll. Is that how you did it? Okay. There we go. Alright. This is way cool. And you can just change the light fixtures too. Like these are easy to fix. And boy, I like this, Chris. I really do. I really do. I mean, the back patio, but usually when you're here, you're really going to be sitting out in the back patio. It's going to be hard and shit anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, you could put something out here. I put some really crappy shit out here so it looks like you don't have anything good worth stealing.
Definitely.
Right? Like some plastic chairs.
Yeah.
You know, the
Like
kind
those.
Yeah, like those. I mean, that's the key. To keep nice things, make it look like you don't have nothing to steal. Right?
Definitely.
Oh, I like it. Okay.
Turn it off?
Yep.
Okay.